Silence, please.
And rolling. And action.
कैसा पति है तू? एक अबला नारी को जालिम दुनिया में रोजी रोटी कमाने भेजते हुए शर्म नहीं आती?
Okay, cut. One more.
For the film that I finally wrote, Kareena was the first child. I will tell you how it happened. People sent the pictures of Arjun and Kareena to Gauri's Twitter account saying, please ask Balki to cast these two people. They look very good together. And I laughed it off, but when I saw it again in the morning, I said, they look beautiful together. Yeah. And this is exactly the woman that you need. Then I rewrote parts of it because I had not kind of firmed up the stuff for her. So this final script, which I did finally, was written for the two of them.
Instantly when Balki sir narrated it to me, I just said yes and I was on board and I'm so glad. And so I think it's a very new concept in terms of a character and in terms of a film also.
The preconceived notion is that if you're a woman in a man's world, you become similar to a man by the end of it. I think Kareena's character, and Kareena herself adds that to her character, is the fact that she can never be man. She's always such an amazing woman. She represents everything right about being a woman. तो वो नज़ाकत, वो जो simplicity, that the softness that she has, that doesn't go away even if when she's playing this corporate head honcho, headhunter kind of woman. It's not like she becomes masculine.
Arjun, come back, cut.
Well, Kia's very ambitious. She's a working married woman, somebody who wants to be eventually like the head of her marketing advertising agency. Basically a woman who exactly knows what she wants, somebody who never thought that she would, get married and settle down until obviously she meets Kabir, whose character is completely the opposite of hers, who has no ambition, who wants to kind of, look after the house.
Husband नहीं, ये मेरी wife बनना चाहता है.
Sex हो गया ना? Important before commitment.
Okay, let's go.
Kareena is a hardcore woman who's stylish, who's tantrumatic, who's kind of, who's impatient, who's restless, and who's all woman.
She's born talented when it comes to being able to be a fantastic, expressive face on camera. She completely operates on what the director says. She can fine-tune herself. She's like, it's like playing a video game. You can tell Kareena go left, she'll go left exactly the way you want.
Yeah, go along the corridor, straight.
Director says after half an hour, no, left is not important, go right, then go further right, then go further right, then go left. She'll nail it bang on in the second.
Okay, done.
And that's experience, and that's also craft that she's blessed with. She just takes directions much faster. Maybe I take an extra take or two. That's lack of experience.
In India, I think it's quite new to have a woman who's leading the pack, who's in the forefront, who wants to pursue her dreams. So it was something that I had never done before and something that hasn't come on Indian screen as well before.
Look, you're getting lost. No, you don't have to turn. Just go as far as your eye goes and then come back.
The shooting atmosphere has always been great on this film because I think we've shot less and made fun more.
क्या आशीर्वाद दिया? बाल भी.
You can only see me and Arjun actually behaving like two 5-year-olds, giggling away and having a blast.
Yuck! What did you do, Arjun?
Arjun and Kareena are just, they're very bad for sync sound. They go always on the stuff. They're always chatting and always talking.
You expect me to get intimate, Balki sir, and after this, I'm sorry I can't.
They're very, very friendly with each other. So sometimes I have to get them to be serious, but it just takes them 1 second, both of them. Kareena is a chameleon. She just immediately in intense emotional scene, she'll be laughing, hanging, she's back to emotion.
And action.
I didn't need to really build an equation, or we didn't need to create the so-called word chemistry that everybody loves using. It just is there.
सबसे useless company को तो तुम इतनी अच्छी तरह से manage कर रही हो.
To play husband-wife, I think you need to really have that comfort zone. That's what Balki sir was very worried about. He was like, I want you to, just be as normal and as real as a husband-wife would be. So I think that if it was not Arjun Kapoor, I don't know and I don't think this chemistry would have come to life.
And action.
She's very, very spontaneous. She doesn't intellectualize too much. And she gets the pitch of a dialogue or a scene in about 10 seconds, okay, like that. And she's very natural.
Definitely बच्चा है तो abortion करेंगे.
तू करेगा abortion? बच्चा तेरे पेट में है?
Most actors have this tendency of dropping the last 2 words of a line. They'll say like, you'll not hear those two. she pitches it absolutely right and still makes it sound so casual and so correct. She's a complete package. I mean, she's one of those volcanoes of talent in Bollywood that you rarely see. Who's beautiful, who's stylish, and who's extremely casual, spontaneous, and today.